Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Warsan and I'm a physiotherapist. I created this channel to spread awareness about my physiotherapy profession, hopefully helping you help yourself. But first of all, we need to discuss what is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is concerned with identifying and maximizing the quality of one's life and movement potential within health promotion, prevention of diseases, treatment, habilitation, and rehabilitation according to the World PT Organization. We work with a variety of different patients whose needs are in orthopedics, so concerning conditions related to the bones, muscles, and joints, in cardiopulmonary, which concerns the heart and the lungs, in neurology, which concerns the brain and the nerves, in pediatrics, which concerns the little ones, the children, in sports medicine, in rheumatology, which concerns diseases which are inflammatory and infectious, and also in geriatrics, which is combating diseases that are common in the elderly population, in addition to pain diseases, women's health, oncology, which is concerning different cancers, and also in the realm of public health in terms of spreading awareness, which I hope to do so today. Healthcare is a collaborative effort. In doing so, we work with specialties such as doctors, nurses, midwives, teachers, dietitians, psychologists, health and fitness workers, community workers, and health policymakers. We work primarily in hospitals, in the outpatient clinics, for example, on medical and surgical wards, and in specialized units. Also, at the community level, we work at primary healthcare centers and in schools, helping children also achieve their full potential, in certain workplaces to just modify lifestyle and work-life factors in order to get the best quality of life for the working population, and in private practice where physiotherapists can set up their own clinics. So the purpose of this channel is to first make available physiotherapy content in Somali and English, mainly for the Somali community and also anyone else who will benefit from this knowledge. Next, it's to fulfill the need that there is and that is not being addressed, for example, lower back pain in our community. Next, I would like to look into telehealth on this journey as a way to help people from our community access healthcare and also increase their health literacy. I would also like to collaborate with other content creators and in addition to students who want to go into physiotherapy and be physiotherapists, inshallah. So feel free to book. The booking will be available on my website in the link below. And also feel free to give me recommendations and interact with me using the Instagram link below. So, why is it important or urgent to receive physiotherapy? In Somalia, there is rumored to be about 4 physiotherapists for the nation of 17 million. And that is not including the diaspora. It's important that they receive the care they need. For example, Abdullahi is a 5-year-old boy. He has been on a ventilator since he could not breathe independently for oxygen. Abdullah cannot eat on his own and needs to be fed through feeding tubes. Abdullah cannot run, play, and talk like other children his age. From the age of 1.5, he's mostly confined to his bed. There are certain milestones in development he is supposed to have reached at this age, but due to his health, he was not able to. Abdullahi was born to a Somali family living in the West. Not only has he and his parents been finding it difficult to navigate the healthcare system where they live, but they have also been faced with isolation due to lack of understanding from other people in their community. Abdullahi can be categorized as one of the lucky ones, as he does receive adequate healthcare. Children, however, in a similar situation in their home country of Somalia would likely die or live highly dependent lives after experiencing such conditions. My channel is for children like Abdullahi and others in Somalia. As physiotherapists, we try our best to help children like Abdullahi and many more regain their independence and rehabilitate them to live more fulfilling lives. We don't only focus on children, but people of many different walks of life and with many different diseases and conditions affecting different populations like the elderly, women, men, and also athletes. Throughout the course of this channel, we will go through different specialties of physiotherapy, starting off with pediatrics, which is concerned with children, due to the urgency and need of this type of physiotherapy. So, in the child's younger years, it's very important to note that development here is very important for later years in life. So in terms of different aspects like learning for the child, future emotional development, growth of the muscles and bones, and many parents have concerns and fears regarding this. So it's important also to take note as a parent and take charge of your child's health. And we will also highlight in this case the importance of play in the treatment process and in development. The lessons on the channel will be composed of explanations of first the disease or the condition, the prognosis, which is how the condition looks over time generally, then causes of the condition, the symptoms of the condition, the physiotherapy management, and in this case, for pediatrics, incorporating play. Then also the considerations that you need to think about for the child. And last but not the least, safety, which is very important to note. This is the end of our intro. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments or any recommendations, please write them down below in the comment section and feel free to contact me on my Instagram, by email, or through my website.